Welcome back to Bike Review Hubs, your trusted channel for the latest updates, reviews, and deep insights into motorcycles, ATVs, and UTVs from around the world. Today, we dive into one of the most thrilling off-road machines of the future, the 2026 Can-Am Maverick 1000R. This model continues Can-Am's legacy of raw performance, rugged engineering, and adventure-focused design, while introducing upgrades that make it stand out in the UTV lineup. Design and styling. The 2026 Maverick 1000R has a bold, aggressive stance that immediately demands attention. The sharp front fascia, sculpted panels, and aerodynamic cues not only add to its muscular presence but also serve functional purposes in airflow and durability. With a redesigned roll cage and reinforced frame, this Maverick blends safety with style. LED lighting front and rear gives it a modern edge, while the choice of bold new color schemes ensures it looks just as good as it performs. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Maverick 1000R lies Can-Am's refined 1000C Rotax engine, engineered to deliver incredible torque and acceleration. The 2026 model benefits from updated fuel, mapping, and cooling efficiency, making it more responsive and reliable under extreme conditions. Paired with advanced suspension geometry and long travel shocks, the Maverick is built to dominate rough trails, dunes, and rocky landscapes. Whether it's high-speed runs or technical climbs, the 1000R responds with confidence. Technology and features. The 2026 Maverick 1000R embraces technology. To enhance the riding experience, the cockpit features a digital TFT display with customizable ride data, GPS integration, and connectivity options for riders who want to stay linked on the go. Advanced drive modes allow seamless transitions between sport, trail, and mud settings, adjusting throttle response and traction control for optimal performance. A robust 4WD system ensures grip in all terrains, while electronic power steering offers precision control at any speed. Comfort and practicality. Can-Am has also prioritized rider comfort in this model. The seats are ergonomically designed with premium cushioning, providing support for long rides. Improved legroom, clever storage spaces, and a quieter cabin experience make it practical for extended adventures. Even with its rugged design, the Maverick 1000R ensures the driver and passenger enjoy every moment behind the wheel. Final thoughts. The 2026 Can-Am Maverick 1000R stands as a symbol of next-level off-road capability. It blends aggressive design, powerful performance, and cutting-edge technology into a machine that dares riders to push beyond limits. For thrill-seekers and adventurers, this Maverick is more than just a UTV. It's a ticket to freedom on any terrain. Thank you for tuning in to Bike Review Hubs. Stay connected for more reviews, updates, and insights into the world of bikes, ATVs, and UTVs.